may sound contrary, but do you know that fasting is proven to be a good way to reverse your diabetes? The thought of fasting during diabetes may panic some people, as most of you might have heard that eating in short intervals help in maintaining the blood sugar levels. In fact, intermittent fasting can play an important role in reversing your diabetes. Fasting is a method through which you can give short fasting or resting periods to your body. While you are fasting, your pancreas gets enough time to repair itself and increase the insulin sensitivity. It not only helps in reducing weight but also enables decreased cholesterol level. A recent research evaluated people with type 2 diabetes who used insulin and fasted at least 3 times a week. Within a month, they no longer needed to use insulin. Post-fasting, they also had improvement in their body mass index (BMI), waist circumference and HbA1c level. After several months, the participants each lost around 10% of their body weight. On the top of it, nearly half of people with type 2 diabetes who lost weight were able to stop using diabetes medication and achieve remission. Let's talk about some popular ways to do fasting. 16:8 fasting. People following this diet eat all meals within an 8-hour window, followed by 16 hours of fasting. Many people fast from 8 p.m. until noon the next day and keep their eating window between noon to 8 p.m. 5:2 fasting. This is when you eat regular meals for 5 days, then have 2 days of fasting, during which you eat fewer than 500 calories or 25% of the daily calories per day. Alternate day fasting. This is a full 24 hours without eating anything or only eating a small amount, followed by 24 hours of eating as usual. Early time restricted feeding. This restricts your meal time to the morning and early afternoon, followed by fast that lasts the rest of the day and night. Of all the above methods, we have found that 16:8 fasting works well for most people. For example, you can have dinner at approximately 7 p.m. and do breakfast at around 11 a.m. the next day. You are free to drink water and smoothies in the interim to keep yourself hydrated and active. Now let's talk about some of the additional benefits of fasting. First, reducing insulin resistance. As suggested earlier, fasting will help in reducing the insulin resistance in your body. Your pancreas gets enough time to repair itself and increase the insulin sensitivity. Given the break your cell gets due to fasting, they become more receptive to insulin in your blood. Second, reduced appetite. Type 2 diabetes occurs mostly due to obesity or poor eating habits. According to research, when people do fasting, their appetite automatically starts decreasing. Eating less food gives enough time to their body to burn more fat in 24 hours. Third, weight loss. Since intermittent fasting can be a way to cut calories, it may help people with diabetes lose weight and increase their likelihood of remission. Fourth, reducing blood pressure. People who do fasting have relatively lower cholesterol. Reduced cholesterol helps our body to maintain the blood pressure. It helps your body to reduce the risk of various health complications such as stroke, aneurysm, and dementia. Fifth, fasting helps avoid eye problems associated with diabetes. Eye problems associated with diabetes occurs when there is a high level of glucose in your blood for a long time. High glucose damages the blood vessel of your eyes and give rise to various complications such as swelling and hemorrhages. Tips for intermittent fasting when you have diabetes. Though intermittent fasting is safe, still we have seen a small percentage of patients facing difficulties. To avoid any complications, we strongly advise you to follow the below steps. Monitor your blood sugar levels. Long period without eating can cause blood sugar to go too low. So please check your sugar levels often. This is known as hypoglycemia. Similarly, eating a lot in your hunger after a period of fasting can increase the blood sugars a lot. This is known as hyperglycemia. So we advise that to prevent hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia, monitor the sugar levels often and talk to your health coaches for solution. Adjust medication and doses. Talk with a health coach provider about adjusting medication or insulin doses. You may need to change your diabetes treatment when trying a diet that could affect your blood sugar levels. Check in on your mood. Many people find that restricting food intake can really affect their mood. Watch for signs like irritability, increased anxiety, and difficulty coping with stress. Monitor energy levels. Fasting can make you fatigued, something you might want to keep in mind if you are driving or operating equipment. That said, intermittent fasting is being practiced safely by several of our patients. Please be in touch with our health coaches if you face any of the above mentioned issues or challenges. Also friends, if you find this video helpful, then please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so you will never miss any diabetes related update. Thank you.